Hello, guys. Welcome to the Trading Ambience Midweek review. This session is designed to assess how the market has developed so far this week, evaluate whether the price is respecting the higher time frame bias, and identify any structural shifts that may influence the remainder of the week. So, we will focus on clean price action, multi-timeframe alignment, and objective market behavior, separating valid continuation from potential exhaustion or reversal. So the goal is clarity, not prediction. So we stay aligned with what the market is actually doing. So let's delve into the chart. So we will starting with CAD on the higher time frame. We have this bearish move, then this bullish reversal structure. Within this reversal structure as a descending channel, we have another bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure in the white or with the white trend line. So right now the price has broken out of this structure. So we are going down to see what the price is doing on the mid time frame. So right now we shall be looking forward to see a continuation, the breakout of this mid time frame continuation for the price to push higher to this level as our profit target on CAD CHF. Next in line is the New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. On New Zealand CAD, we have multiple price actions here. So right now we have a bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure, and here we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure. So right now, at the breakout of this higher time frame, bullish continuation structure, going down to the mid time frame, we have a bullish continuation structure here on the lower time frame. So I placed my entry above the structure and my stop loss below it. Price has just taken me in. So our my target for New Zealand CAD, NZD CAD is right above here at the top of this reversal structure. So let's move to the next here in line. We have new NZD CHF. NZD CHF on the higher time frame. We have a descending channel. Right here we have a bullish impulse, then a descending channel. So we have a low here, a very significant low. So with this channel now, right here we have a bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure. So the price has broken out of this structure right now. So on the mid time frame, initially the price printed a continuation structure here on the mid time frame. It took me in, then took me out at break even. But right now we have a bearish impulse, bullish reversal, then another descending channel. So I placed my entry above here. The price took me in, and we are approaching one hour at the moment. So my TP for New Zealand CHF is just around here. So uh, let's quickly move on to the next pair in line. So during over the weekend we talked about Euro card. Euro card, we have this bullish impulse, broadening structure here. Then within this structure, we have another bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. Right here, we have another bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. But within this structure, we have a bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure, which broke out of this overall structure. So looking at this now on the mid time frame, I placed my entry uh, right here after the breakout. We had a bearish impulse, bearish continuation. I placed my entry here. The price took me in and hasn't done much since then, though I took this trade in December. So we are still on the Euro card. So the next in line is Euro CHF. Euro CHF. With Euro CHF on the higher time frame, we have this bearish impulse, then a bullish reversal structure. So within this structure, we have this bearish impulse, then it created a significant low. So approaching this low, on this low we have a descending wedge. So the price hits this low, then pushed higher. So we took a trade there that closed out here. So the price pushed out of this structure, then initially printed a continuation structure on the mid time frame. I placed my entry here initially. Price took me out at break even with 1 hour. So now the price dropped down a bit with a descending channel. So now this descending channel has been broken, it has been violated. So I placed my entry right above here, and the price just took me in. So on Euro CHF, I am bullish on Euro CHF, and I'm expecting the price to get to this high at least. So uh, next in line is New Zealand dollar USD. New Zealand dollar USD. We have multiple price actions within this higher time frame structure. We have multiple price actions here. So right here we have we have a bearish impulse, a bullish reversal structure, and right here we have an expanding structure with a bullish impulse. So on this low on the mid time frame, within this structure, on the mid time frame, we have this descending channel and a double top here. We have this bullish impulse and a bullish continuation. So I'm expecting the price to push up at least to get to this point on New Zealand dollar USD. So we move on to Euro AUD, Euro Australian dollar. So Euro Australian dollar, we have on the high time frame we have an overall bearish structure here, bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure. We have an ascending channel here. The price hits the top of this channel, then it drop down with a bearish impulse, bearish continuation. So on the daily time frame, the price has broken out of this structure with a bearish impulse, bearish continuation. The price dropped down, then pushed back up to test this level. The price dropped down. I took a trade there. My initial entry on this trade was in December 2025. So I placed my entry below this and below this bearish impulse, bearish continuation. Price took me in. Then on Monday I took another entry. I placed another entry here, and I took me. So right now we are trailing the profits right now with our target just below here. So we are looking at Euro New Zealand next, Euro New Zealand dollar. So Euro NZD, the overall structure here too is bearish, as we discussed over the weekend. We have a bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure. Right here we have an ascending channel. Then on the daily time frame, we also have an ascending channel within this weekly ascending channel. So we have an ascending channel here. Then at the tip of this ascending channel, we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. Within this bearish reversal structure, we have a double top. The price plummeted, broke out of this bearish reversal structure, broke out with an impulse, with a bearish impulse, and a bearish continuation structure. So over the weekend, I told us to look out for a bearish continuation on the mid time frame. So on the mid time frame, we have this bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure, and I placed my entry below it. Price took me in, and right now we are in profit. So I'm also trading this profit, as you can see. So we have pound Australian dollar next, GBP AUD. Over the weekend, we discussed about this as well. So I talked about this bearish impulse, bearish continuation. So overall structure here too is bearish. So the price hit the high of this structure, drop down impulsively. Then on the daily time frame, we have this bearish impulse, bearish continuation. The price keeps dropping down. The price keeps creating lower low, keeps dropping down. You can see impulse, correction, impulse, pullback, impulse, correction, impulse again, correction. So on this, we are presently in this structure. So on the daily time frame, the price dropped down impulsively here, corrected, broke out again. Then the price came back to test this level, which I took advantage of. So on the mid time frame, the price coming back into that level came back with an ascending channel. Then the price broke out, then printed a continuation correction. Then as you can see right here at this top, we have the first touch here, second touch, third touch. So right here as well, we have one, two, three, one, two, three. So at the third touch here, we have impulse, bearish impulse, bearish continuation correction uh, uh, on the mid time frame. So I took this trade on the lower time frame, the 5 minutes chart, because after the break, after the price has broken out of the mid time frame, bearish impulse and bearish continuation structure. So I have another bearish impulse, bearish continuation here. So I place my entry here, stop loss above it, and the price has gotten to our target on GBP AUD. So next in line we have GBP CHF, GBP CHF as well, a very interesting pair. So we talked about this overall structure on GBP CHF. We have multiple price actions here. So right now we have a bearish impulse, then a descending wedge here inside this channel. So the price hits this low, then pushed up with with an impulse, then broke out of this structure with an impulse. Then on the mid time frame, the price created a bullish continuation structure right here. Initially, we took this trade here. Our first entry was right down here. Then we took another entry here. The price took us in and came back down, took us out at break even or so for this entry. We made profit here. So right now we have a bigger continuation correction here. So I this was too big for me to use. So I went down to the lower time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes for a better entry. So on 15 minutes, we have this bullish impulse, bullish continuous structure. I placed my entry above the price took me in, and right now we are trailing the profits. So on GBP CHF, so we are targeting this level here for our profit, either this high or somewhere around here for GBP CHF. So next line is GBP New Zealand dollar. On GBP New Zealand dollar, we talked about this ascending channel, and the price has been moving up and down in this ascending channel, then created this high. This high is a very significant high, as you can see. Then the price dropped down, printed this bearish expanding structure. So within this bearish expanding structure, we have this bullish impulse, then this bearish reversal structure. Within this bearish reversal structure, we have multiple bearish price actions here, just like this bullish impulse, bearish reversal, bullish impulse, double top, ascending wedge, then a bearish impulse. So right now we have a bearish impulse here and a bearish continuation structure here. So going down to the mid time frame, within this bearish uh, continuation structure, at the top at the top of this bearish continuation structure, we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal. Then going down to the lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes for entry, we have a breakout of this structure. Then the price printed this uh, bearish continuation structure. So bearish impulse, bearish continuation. I placed my entry below it, stop loss above it. The price has taken me in, and right now we are at break even on GBP New Zealand dollar. So we shall be looking at few more pairs to see how they develop further. So for the first, we shall be looking at Euro JPY, Euro Yen. On the daily time frame, the price has been pushing up, impulse continuation, impulse continuation. So right here now, we have an impulse, then we have a continuation structure. So going down to the mid time frame, this is what we have presently. The price is moving in this bullish impulse, and is moving within this continuation structure. So right now the price is just below here. So I'll be waiting to see if the price will push out uh, of this structure to take me in, or wait for a bullish impulse on the lower time frame, uh, and wait for a continuation structure to actually get into into that trade for GBP for Euro JPY. So we also have GBP JPY as well. On the higher time frame, We have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure as well on the higher time frame. So on Monday, I took a trade here and made decent profit on the GBP JPY. We have this higher time frame structure. So within this higher time frame structure, we have a bullish impulse again right here. We have a bullish continuation structure. Then going down to the lower time frame, we have another bullish impulse here, bullish continuation structure. So I use this entry, I use this continuation structure on the lower time frame as my entry, and the price took me in, made decent profits here. So right now the price has broken out of this higher time frame continuation structure. So we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation on the mid time frame. So we have to wait to see a breakout here before placing this trade, and we are going to be targeting the uh, we're going to be targeting somewhere around here using our Fibonacci extension tool, or if you have a fixed take profit target. So next line we have AUD uh, AUD CHF. AUD CHF on the higher time frame, we have this significant low, then a descending channel. So right now the price is breaking out of this descending channel. Let's go to the daily to see what we have right here. So on the daily time frame, we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. Price pushed out of this bullish continuation, hits the bounce of the descending channel, dropped down a bit. Now it has broken out. So on the mid time frame, I'll be looking forward to see a continuation structure here to get into this trade. Then on the last but not the least, euro pound. Over the weekend, we talked about euro pound. We talked about the this eye. We talked about the touches we have here, one, two, three, this ascending wedge. So, and we talked about the continuation structure that was printed here on the mid time frame. That continuation structure was not too clean for me to take to place an entry. So I am waiting. I am waiting to see a breakout of the ascending wedge. So I'm waiting to see a breakout of the ascending wedge right here. Then get my entry. Then hopefully the price drops down to the base of this structure. So that will be all for this week midweek review. So as we move into the later part of the week, remain patient, respect your risk parameters, and allow price to confirm before committing capital. Not every setup needs to be traded. Discipline and selectivity are your edges. So if you have thoughts on today's analysis, drop them in the comments. Also feel free to suggest the next forex pair or the type of chart work you would like to see in upcoming sessions. So thank you for being part of the Trading Ambience family. Stay focused, stay structured, and trade the process. Thank you.